Good evening. I'm Suzanne Schwanda, Chair of Hunterdon Health Foundation's Board of Trustees, and it is my honor to introduce you to our 2023 Spirit of Hunterdon Honorees. The Spirit of Hunterdon Award was created more than 20 years ago to recognize individuals in the community who have provided a significant impact on Hunterdon Health's success and the improvement of health in our region. Our 2023 recipients complement an already impressive group of 42 recipients that includes community leaders, business owners and their businesses, community organizations, and philanthropists. They truly represent a Hall of Fame in Hunterdon County. Our 2023 Community Spirit of Hunterdon honoree, goHunterdon, is a driving force in promoting sustainable transportation right here in Hunterdon County. They have worked hand in hand with commuters, employers, and communities to create a positive impact on our environment and well-being. One of the most remarkable aspects of goHunterdon's mission is its commitment to coordinating transportation for those in our community where public transport is unavailable. They have gone above and beyond to ensure that even in areas without readily available public transit, residents can access reliable transportation options. goHunterdon has not only been transformative for the patients of our community, but has also been integral to providing health care to those without transportation. We are proud to say that goHunterdon has saved over 1,000 medical appointments from cancellation due to lack of transportation by providing more than 2,000 rides. Behind this remarkable organization, there is a collaborative effort of dedicated staff members and the invaluable support of the board and funders. It is an honor to recognize the collective dedication and leadership that have propelled goHunterdon's journey since 1994. The extensive experience in community development and nonprofit management within their team has been a driving force behind goHunterdon's success, elevating the organization to new heights. Please join me in congratulating goHunterdon as the 2023 Community Spirit of Hunterdon recipient.
The healthcare access transportation plan started in response to an ongoing need. Transportation is a barrier to care, particularly for seniors who are unable to drive themselves. Oftentimes they don't have family in the area anymore. Their friends or their neighbors are not always available to drive them to their appointments. And so the seniors have to make this difficult decision that they're going to forego getting to those doctor appointments.
My team works in the primary care offices, and they work with a high-risk patient population. So patients who are frequently hospitalized, patients who are dealing with chronic illnesses. Our partnership with goHunterdon began several years ago. Our nurses are able to get these patients rides to their doctor's appointments through the goHunterdon program.
Since the inception of the program, we've been able to provide rides to over 100 patients. That's 2,000 rides. This program really becomes a lifeline for them. 5 patients of the Hunterdon Wound Healing Center have been fully discharged from care and have full healing because we were able to transport them to those needed appointments.
Patients need to get to their preventative medical appointments to prevent further complications of their disease processes, but also for early detection for things like cancer. It's just as crucial that they come to these appointments as it is follow-up appointments for something acute.
Ride requests come to us through an online portal. We let them know the name of the driver that's on the way and the make, model, and color of the vehicle that they can expect to be arriving at their home. We monitor the rides in real time and make sure that they have been dropped off to the appointment safely. We monitor the ride to make sure that they've gotten home, and once they're home, we give them a call to make sure that they've gotten into their home safely.
I oversee the care coordination team, and they have very frequent contact with these patients. We're able to get them rides to primary care appointments as well as specialty appointments, and we work very closely with goHunterdon, and they're able to accommodate the patients so that several appointments can be set up in the same day. And they're working to help these patients manage their conditions, have a good quality of life, and try to keep them out of the hospital and as healthy as possible.
There is no cost to the patient. This program is made possible with the financial support of the Horizon Foundation for New Jersey, the Provident Bank Foundation, and the Johnson & Johnson Healthcare Systems Fund. The funders understand the impact of this program not only on improved health outcomes, but really the overall quality of life for these patients.
Our patients tell us how impactful this program has been to their mental and physical well-being. It's truly invaluable to our patients.
This project has truly been a collaboration with Hunterdon Health. Working together, we have been able to find a solution to a long-standing problem, and we're seeing the results of that every day in the health outcomes of these patients, in the quality of life of these patients, and we just couldn't be prouder to be a part of this. And being publicly recognized is really just a bonus.
Congratulations to goHunterdon, Tara and her team. We have loved working with you day in and day out on transportation. It really is invaluable to our patients and our team. Thank you so much for all you do.
Our philanthropic Spirit of Hunterdon honoree, Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates, is a true embodiment of the incredible care in our community. They have not only played a vital role in surgery, but have extended their expertise and care throughout our hospital. Their contributions are felt everywhere, reminding us that anesthesia is a catalyst, connecting each corner of our medical facility. Anesthesia is not just about the operating room. It's about ensuring patient comfort, safety, and successful outcomes in many medical procedures, including those that can be especially nerve-wracking for patients and their families. As we honor Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates, we also want to recognize the profound difference they've made in the lives of countless patients and families. Their endeavors extend far beyond the walls of our hospital and continue to pave the path for innovative care in our region. Their impact doesn't stop there. This practice has also shown tremendous generosity and philanthropic spirit. They've been dependable donors, committing more than $1 million to the Hunterdon Health Foundation, including $750,000 in 2019 to support the improvements of operating rooms at Hunterdon Medical Center. Their dedication to the well-being of our community goes beyond words. It's reflected in their actions. Tonight, we graciously present this award to you as a symbol of not only our gratitude, but as a reminder that healthcare is truly a collective effort. Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates represent the best in healthcare, and we cannot thank them enough for their unwavering support and dedication to the well-being of the Hunterdon community. Please join me in congratulating Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates as the 2023 Corporate Spirit of Hunterdon recipient.
It's been an incredible honor for me to provide orthopedic services here at Hunterdon for about 30 years, which has thousands of times put me across the table, so to speak, from members of Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates, and it makes me uniquely proud of and grateful to them this evening when they will be receiving the 2023 Philanthropic Spirit of Hunterdon Award. They've been an exceptional division within Hunterdon Health for many years.
I've had the pleasure and privilege to know Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates for the past 35 years. It's really important, the relationship that our physician colleagues and nursing have together.
Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates are compassionate, patient-centered, and truly focused on successful outcomes. They're integrated and collaborative partners with the entire clinical care team, focused on operational efficiency and patient experience.
Dr. Silber and the entire team are true physician partners to the other staff that work in the endoscopy department. They're a shining example of Hunterdon Health values.
I chose anesthesia for various reasons. It's actually a commonly asked question. I just liked it because it's a comprehensive specialty. You do a lot of everything.
With anesthesia, you get to practice in a lot of different places, you get to do a lot of different procedures, and you get to work with a ton of different people.
Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates do all of the anesthesia for our pediatric population and for our women delivering in labor. And what's really nice and special about them is when I have friends that are going to come in and they're going to deliver a baby, when they ask my advice on the best day to do it, I don't have to check the anesthesia schedule because we know whoever they get is going to be excellent.
Well, in our group, we joke that Hunterdon Anesthesia are the heroes of the labor floor. We sit with the patients as they suffer through labor for 12 and 15 hours, and all they want is to see the anesthesiologist walk through the door and give them an epidural.
Hunterdon Anesthesia is special because we have a close-knit group of excellent clinicians who are always there for each other. We've trained at the most prestigious academic centers across the country and have decided to live here in Hunterdon County and work at Hunterdon Medical Center.
I started with Hunterdon Anesthesia in 2022. I still remember the day I walked into this hospital and I interviewed with the practice. The first thing they told me was that family comes first. As a new mom, that's what I needed to hear. And over the last year, it's definitely shown to be true. They definitely put me first and my family first.
I instantly fell in love with the culture here. There's a big family aspect to this community.
Originally, I was going to be a pediatrician, and then I did a rotation in the operating room when I got to provide anesthesia care peripherally as a medical student to pediatric patients. And the critical care nature of the practice, as well as the variety of care from infants to seniors to athletes, drew me to the specialty.
Dealing with patient population and pain management can be, difficult at times. You're seeing people for the first time and they've been suffering with some sort of ailment that they've been dealing with for, 3 months, 6 months, 5 years. It's hard initially to build a relationship with them and have them trust you as somebody who's doing procedures, right by their spinal cord. But once you gain that trust and you help them, it is one of the most rewarding things you can do.
Building that relationship and that trust is something that our practice is really good at. When they come for surgery, there's a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress around the whole process, and to alleviate some of that and to say, I'm going to take care of you today like I would take care of my own mom, sister, child. Gaining that trust is what sets us apart.
We are part of the community. We are also here as parents. We have children in the community. As members of this institution, we felt we needed to do our part in order to expand, grow, and improve the healthcare system. We felt that this gift was one small step to help do that.
On behalf of Hunterdon Medical Center, I want to truly congratulate Hunterdon Anesthesia Associates on this amazing recognition. Well deserved.
Congratulations to an amazing team that continues to make strides every day, to improve, to evolve, and it's a pleasure working with them.
Just a big thank you from the bottom of my heart for the support that you've always given to nursing. It's a pleasure to work with you all. Congratulations.
Congratulations, great job. Keep up the great work.
I invite all of you to raise your glass on behalf of our families and the members of Central New Jersey, Hunterdon Anesthesia. We appreciate your generosity and your professionalism. Here's to you.